Now, so we are done with sources. We are also done with record ops. Now we'll move on to field ops. So what are these? These are the different field ops nodes that are available to us. We can select transpose. You can also select anonymize. We can reclassify. We can derive. We can add filler. We can add filter. Suppose if you add filter over here, and I come here, right click, click connect. Supposedly, let's click on filter. So what do you want to filter it out? Okay, do you want to have which of these do you want to filter out? There are 13 of them available, so I'm clicking on this. This has to be filtered out. This I need open price. I don't need WAP number of shares. This, and this. So I need how many? 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the, and let us also retain the date. So I need only 4 of these fields here. Okay, and I click apply and I click OK. Now suppose when I run this here, right click and I click run from here. Statistics. Okay, now this is a problem here. It is running this only as a default. It's fine. Let's run on filter. Run from here. Yeah, there are no executable nodes. That's what it will show us. So after this filter, let us add some output statistics again. Okay. And I'll connect this filter with this particular statistics node. And now let's see. Let's remove this. This also. I'm now simply running only this particular stream. I have removed the other stream. Okay. Right click and let's run from here. Okay, no fields are selected in the statistics node. So let's come here. Meanwhile, let us do one thing. Let us click on filters and click edit. So now what we have done here is we have taken only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay, only these 5 fields have been selected. So let's preview it. Yes, now that's what we are seeing here. If you all understand, we had selected only 5 fields over here. So only those 5 fields are showing up over here. Only those 5 fields are showing up over here. So if you increase the field here, suppose I remove this and I click apply and I click OK. Okay, right click, click edit, then I click preview. So when earlier there were 5, I have added one more WAP, WAP, as an additional field for filter, which I'm removing the filter on it. And now I click preview. So in that preview, you should see WAP. See, we can see this field coming up over here. So like this, you can use different field ops also. Wait, you can read. You can use different field operations, field ops nodes also, and make the changes to your given and the desired source node, to your desired source node data also. And so this is what we have really. I took you all with your filters. I also wanted to take you all with your auto data prep. Let's click on auto, drag it and put it over here and see what it shows up. Right click and connect. Okay. And let's run this and see. Yeah, no mode is selected in the statistics mode. Yeah, that error will come up over here. So let us do one thing. Let us remove this. I'm removing the filter also here. And don't worry, even though I'm not saving anything out here, for y'all, we'll be doing a lot of repetitive work on dragging and dropping the nodes or importing the nodes and importing the data. So as we go along, you will understand it better. So there is nothing to be worried about, even if I'm not able to save any data for you. Okay, let's run this and see what will it show up. They're on executable nodes as always. So out here on the export, let us select wait. An output. Let's come and see. Let us have a table up here. Right click, connect. So I'm connecting the auto data prep node as a table. Now let's see. Click run. Right, so it's running here. Aha. See, now this is what they have generated for us. What have they generated here? We come and we bring it down here. It is showing us what? It is showing us the table with all the given set of columns. So like, operation price, transform. See, we can see everything is transformed. What does this transformed mean really? It is the auto data preparation that is worked. See, you can see here, there is a tick mark over here. Okay, right click on this and click run from here. Again, that's what it is showing up. So this is how you use your auto data preparation node, which will make the necessary changes it deems fit for the analysis, and based on that, it will throw you an output. Now, for this output that we have, suppose if I attach statistics over here, okay, and I connect table. No, that will not happen because table itself is also an output. So on this data prep, let's come here and let's click connect, connecting it over here. And on the statistics, which nodes do you want? I want close price, apply. I want shares transformed, apply, and high price, apply. And I click OK. I do not want any correlation settings. I'm simply selecting 2-3 of them. These are the statistics that I want to generate, and I click apply. I click OK. And now when I click run from here, so this is running. See, now you can see that this is a table that was generated because we ran it over here. Okay, this is the output that was generated. This table is generated because of this node as an output node, and this particular output that is generated over here. Okay, that is because of this particular statistics output that we connected with auto data prep. So this is what we learned today as far as today's session is concerned. Okay, I'm not saving any of this data for y'all for today, but let us do one thing. Let us save all the data that we have here. Because this file, maybe we'll use it for y'all as a reference file for day one. Okay, so I'm running this output. Actually, we have generated all these outputs for y'all, and this is part of only what for stream. Okay, let's right click and save stream. I'm saving the stream as what? It's called desktop SPSS Modeler. No, not here. Live sessions. SPSS Modeler day one. No, it's not day one. It's day 2. And stream 1. Bank data. Okay, that's what I'm saving this as. Why are we saving this as bank data? Because yeah, that's what we have, bank data, and also paints data. But anyway, let's save this, save it. So both these streams are part of this stream that we have here, and these are the outputs that we have generated. Now we'll save the entire file. So let's click save. Okay, outputs, we have this. We have also saved the outputs by itself. It is saving this. Models are also saved. Wait, save models palette. Select. Okay. Day 2. Generated models day 2. Let's click save it. Keep it. And then we also have what? We have models here. No, we don't have them. We have generated, saved the outputs and streams. Now let us do one thing. Let us quickly go on desktop and see if we have all the, yes, we have everything saved. These are the generated models. That was your promotion file. That is your data, that's your str file. That's the data that we have. So once you run these in IBM SPSS Modeler, then you should be able to open this file that we are seeing here. Oops, not this. The streams that we are seeing here. And we have, used different nodes, typically source, record ops, field ops, and the output node. Yes, the output and export. No, we have used the output node. Yes, we have used these 4 nodes and created a stream over here. Again, this is not an end in itself. There are a lot many nodes that we have not discussed. Okay, so this is why we are having a different set of nodes which are coming in just one single stream, because that is how your learning will happen. By simply explaining each of these nodes, you will not understand it if you do not have any application perspective to that.